Let us start today's lecture. Okay, welcome students to our GK class, standard 4th. Okay, yes. So yesterday we have started lesson number 6, that is fun with sports. Okay, yes. So we have seen so many sports games are there. Yes, yes or no? Indoor games, outdoor games, then water games. Yes. Then we have also seen yes, which adventurous games we have seen yesterday. First is skydiving. Yes. What is skydiving? We have seen this is the sport which is done in the sky, it is done in the sky. Okay, they perform an acrobatic in the air under the free fall. Okay, they are having parachutes on their back. Yes. Okay, then the second we have seen is surfing is the adventurous game which is enjoyed in on the sea waves or ocean waves. Yes. Okay, then the next we have seen is river rafting. It is a sport of team, then it is carried on river water. Okay, yes, with the help of the raft. You can see this is the raft. Okay, what is raft? Raft means the which floats on water. Okay, now next is paragliding. Paragliding is what? It is done with parachute. That this parachute is attached to a person's body. Okay, and the person jumps from an aircraft or from a high mountain or hills. Yes, and enjoy the paragliding. Okay, now, next is skiing. Skiing is what? Skiing is done on snow. It is mostly done on in winter seasons on the snowfall. Okay. Yes. Then we have seen scuba diving. Scuba diving, it is done under the water. And what is the full form of scuba? Self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. Okay. Yes. Then next we have seen is parasailing. I told you this is like same as paragliding. Okay. It is same as paragliding because parachute is also used in parasailing. Okay. But this parachute is attached to a motor boat, and the motor boat sails on the water, and then in that direction the person enjoys the parasailing. Okay, then next we had seen is some equipment, some materials which are used for playing the sports. Yes, which all equipments we have seen? Tennis bat. We have seen tennis bat. It is used for playing tennis. Okay, then next we have seen is rugby ball. Yes, what is the shape of the rugby ball? Oval shape. Oval shape is the shape of the rugby ball, and this is used in the for playing rugby. Okay, then next is jet ski. This boat is called as jet ski. Yes, it is used in jet skiing. That means this is a type of a motorbike on the water. It is used on the water for driving. Okay, then Next is what is this? Clap skate. What is it? Clap skate. This clap skates are used for skating, ice skating. Okay. Then next is diving helmet. Diving helmet. This is used in scuba diving. Diving helmet is used in scuba, yes, and it is help for breathing also under the water. Now next is parachute. Parachute is used in parasailing and paragliding also. Okay, so this much we have studied yesterday. Now let us proceed. Let us see some rules and regulations of the games or sports. Yes, there are some rules while playing. There are some rules. Any game, it must be indoor game, outdoor game. Yes, any game it will be. There are some rules while playing, and in this rules, some specific terms are used. Specific terms are used. Okay, so let us see some specific terms in some games which are they. Yes, so first one, let us see. Now which game is this? Chess. Which game is this? Chess game. Okay, now in this game we use the word checkmate. We use the word checkmate. Okay, this is chess is an indoor game, and in chess we use checkmate. So what is checkmate? In chess, a position in which a player's king, okay, is directly attacked by an opponent piece and has no possibility to move or to escape. At that time, checkmate word is used. See, this type of action or this type of what we say, this type of attack is called as checkmate. Okay, so checkmate is used in the game chess. So this is one type of term that is used in the chess game. Now let us see next. Okay, now what are they playing? They are playing football. They are playing football. Okay, yes. So in football, the word that is they are doing dribbling, that is dribble. So this they are doing the dribble. So dribble means what? Dribble is used in the outdoor game called football, and here the football is dribbled. This person is dribbling the football. That means this they have to dribble the ball till the opponent is defeated. So the player should keep the ball with their team. The goal is being made till the goal is being made. So what is the meaning of dribbling? That means we have to keep the ball with ourselves or with our team members to reach the goal post till we defeat the opponent person or opponent team. Okay, so this term is used in football, dribble. Now, next is LBW. Yes, most of the students must be aware of this LBW. Yes, what is LBW? LBW is the word used in the cricket. It is used in the cricket. Okay, now what is the full form of LBW? LBW full form is leg before wicket. Leg, Leg, leg before wicket. That means the person leg is in front of the line, and at that time the person is being declared as LBW. Okay, so when the umpire gives when the umpire gives LBW to a batsman, that means that batsman is out, that the batsman is out. That is, the ball must strike. The ball must strike first to the part of the batter's body. Okay, this ball should strike to the batter's body without first touching his bat, without first touching his bat, and should have been going on to the hit the stump. So the ball must be in that direction that it should hit the stump. Okay, so this is called as LBW term. LBW term is used in the game cricket. Okay, yes. Now let us see the next one. One second. Okay. Now, students, please don't write anything in the chat. When the time I will ask you questions, at that time only you can use your chat box. Okay. So please pay attention on the screen. Now, so understood what is LBW? Yes, LBW is used in the term. The LBW is the term which is used in the cricket. Now, see which game they are playing. They are playing yes, they are playing basketball. Yes, they are playing basketball. Yes, so this term is used in the game basketball. Okay, now when in the basketball a slam dunk, this type of position or this type of action is called as slam dunk. Ball through the basket, it jumps high, put the ball in this basket with the force. So this type of action in this game is called as slam dunk. SLAM, slam dunk, DUNK. Okay, yes, that means slam dunk means what? That a victory will be easily achieved. Victory will be easily achieved, or the team is going to win the match. The team is going to win the match. Okay, so slam dunk word or slam dunk term is used in the game called basketball. Now, let us see the next game. Which game is it? Polo. Which game is it? Polo. Now, what is polo? Polo is a game sitting on horse. Okay, polo is a game that a player sits on the horse, and the player is having a polo stick. So they have to use that polo stick for hitting the ball. They have to use that polo stick for hitting the ball, and the ball should go reach the goal post. So there are two teams in this game. And each below. Now, bump word is used when player is permitted. A player is permitted to ride into another player. So as to spoil his shot. That means the opponent person goal post. So this is okay. Now let us see next one. Now this is the scoreboard of tennis. This is the scoreboard of tennis. Okay. Now see here, you can see player 1 and player 2. Okay, so both the players have scored equal points. Both the players have scored equal points. Okay, the first person has also scored 40 points, and the second person has also scored 40 points. So persons. Okay, there is a yes. Now it is clear, beta, and my screen is also shared. Can you hear me now, all of you? Okay, thank you. Okay, so we were seeing the next term, that is, which is used in the game called tennis. I repeat, here there are two persons, player 1 and player 2. So player 1 has also scored 40 points and player 2 has also scored 40 points. That means there is a tie between these two persons. So that time the word deuce, D-E-U-C-E, is used. D-E-U-C-E is used. So when a game is reached, when a game is reached at 40 points each side, so both the players are having 40 points, and the player still needs to win 2 clear points to win the game, then it is said that is duels. That is the tie between the players. That means only up to 40 points the game is been played. So after 40 points, they will get only 2 points for winning. They will only get 2 points for winning. Okay. Yes. So all these terms which we have seen are used in this game. Okay, we have seen first term is checkmate. We have seen checkmate. It is used in chess. Then we have seen dribble. It is used in football. Then LBW in cricket. Slam dunk in basketball. Slam dunk in basketball. Bump in polo, and DEUC deuce in tennis. Okay, so I hope you have learned some specific terms of some games. Okay, now let us move on to the last part of this lesson, that is famous personalities of sports. Famous personalities of sports. Yes, now let us see which famous personality is first. Yes, recognize this person. Who is he? Yes, who is he? He is a very famous personality from cricket. Yes, he is Sachin Tendulkar. Yes, he is Sachin Tendulkar. Yes. So popularly, he is known as the Little Master. He is also known as Little Master. His nickname is Little Master in cricket. So Little Master Sachin Tendulkar became became the youngest Indian to play country cricket at the age of 19. Sachin Tendulkar played at the age, he started playing at the age of 19. Okay. Yes. So he is only cricketer. He is only cricketer to be awarded the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. He is been given Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Then Arjuna Award and Padma Shri Award by our Indian government. By our Indian government. Okay. Yes. So Tendulkar is the only player. He is the only player who has taken 40 wickets 40 wickets and has more than 11,000 runs. He has taken more than 11,000 runs in test cricket matches. Okay. Yes. Now, Tendulkar is also active cricketer to be nominated to our Rajya Sabha. Okay. Yes, they in our government there are two types of Rajya Sabha. There are two types of houses. One is Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So in Rajya Sabha he is been nominated. Okay. So he is Little Master Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. Yes. Some people say that he is the god of the cricket. Now, second person is also from cricket. Second person is also from cricket. So who is he? He is his name is Rahul Dravid. His name is Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid was the first captain. He was the first captain whose captaincy, India won the first test match against South Africa on South African soil. That means when the test match was held in South Africa. The test match was held in South Africa, and at that time we had won, our Indian team had won opposite South Africa. Yes, so and that time Rahul Dravid was the captain of our Indian team. So for the first time in 2006, for the first time in 2006, Dravid led India to win against West Indies. Okay, so for the first time we had won in 2006 against West Indies. Yes, on their soil. On their soil means what? That means the matches are being held at their ground and in their country. So we are winning from them. Yes, so he was the leading scorer. He was also the leading scorer with 461 runs. 461 runs in 1999 World Cup. He was also the leading scorer. That means from all the players, his score was the highest score. His score was highest score in 1999 World Cup. So Rahul Dravid is also the famous personality from the game cricket. Okay. Yes. So let us see the next personality. Yes. Can you all recognize this lady? Who is she? Yes, she is Mary Kom. She is Mary Kom. Now, who is she? She is a boxer. She is a boxer. Yes, she is our Indian boxer. So, Mary Kom was the first Indian female boxer. She was the first female boxer to win a bronze medal at the Summer Olympics of 2012. So she has won the bronze medal in 2012. First time our Indian female boxer has won bronze medal at the first time. Okay, now she is a 5-time winner of World Amateur Boxing Championship. She is 5 times winner of World Amateur Boxing Championship. Okay, then in 2007, she opened her own boxing academy. What she has done in 2007, she has opened her own boxing academy in her hometown in Imphal. Okay, she lives in Imphal. So Imphal is there. Imphal is there in our country. So in Imphal, she has opened boxing academy. Okay. Yes. So she is, what is her name? Mary Kom. Let us see the next personality. Yes, any guesses, students? Who is he? Yes, he plays chess. He plays chess. His name is Vishwanathan Anand. His name is Vishwanathan Anand. Yes, so Vishwanathan Anand plays chess, which so his nickname is Lightning Kid. His nickname is Lightning Kid. He won the World Chess Championship. He has won the World Chess Championship for 5 times. That means he was 5 times the world champion of the game chess. Chess Oscars for 6 times. Chess Oscars for 6 times. He is the youngest Indian to receive Padma Shri at the age of 18. He is the person who he was the youngest person at that. So at the age of 18, he had won the Padma Shri award from our Indian government. Okay. So his name is Vishwanathan Anand. Now, Vishwanathan Anand's mother, Vishwanathan Anand's mother, taught him the game of chess. His mother taught him the game of chess. And at what age do you know, students? At the age of 6 years old, when the Vishwanathan Anand was 6 years old, at that time, Vishwanathan Anand's mother taught him the game of chess. Yes. So isn't he brilliant student, brilliant person? Yes or no? Yes. So the next person we are going to see is Pankaj Advani. This person is known as Pankaj Advani. Okay, so Pankaj Advani started playing snooker. He started playing snooker. Okay, he is the master of his game. He is the master of his game. So he is playing snooker. See snooker? Yes, at the early age of 10. So when he was at the age of 10, at that time he started playing snookers. He achieved a hat trick. He achieved a hat trick of hat tricks by holding the World Asian and Indian National Championship simultaneously in 3 different years. Yes, so he has been the world champion for 12 times. He is the world champion person for 12 times in the game snooker. So currently he ranks number 1 in the world team billiards and in 6 red snookers. So he is the number 1 world team in billiards and in 6 red snookers. Yes, so his name is Pankaj Advani. Now, fun fact of Pankaj Advani is during school days when Pankaj Advani was going to school, he was a very soft hearted person. He was a very soft hearted person. So when his friends used to forget to wear tie or batches, what he was doing, he used to give money to them to buy them from the school shop. So he used to help his friends by giving money, and he was telling go and bring new batch or new tie from the school shop. Okay, so he was a very soft hearted person. Okay, so we have seen so many personalities of the sports. Yes. Okay, so first personality we have seen is Sachin Tendulkar. First we have seen is Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, then second person we have seen is Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid. Then the next person we have seen is Vishwanathan Anand. Vishwanathan Anand. And the last person we have seen is Pankaj Advani. Pankaj Advani. Okay. Yes. Now let us move on to some question and answers. Now students, we have completed lesson number 6. We have completed lesson number 6 and we have also completed our semester portion. So for semester portion, your from lesson number 1 to 6, 1 to 6 you have to study for the GK exam. Okay, for GK exam you have to study lesson number 1 to 6. Yes, in next lectures we are going to revise one by one lesson. Okay, then till then, now give me some answers, students. Okay, what is the nickname of Sachin Tendulkar? What is the nickname of Sachin Tendulkar? What is the nickname of Sachin Tendulkar? Yes, Yashashri, Bhavya, Kushal, Kurtar, Tanish. Yes, Virat, very good. His nickname is Little Master. Yes, very good. His nickname is Little Master. Very, very good. Okay. Now, tell me which lady you have seen who is the boxer of our India, female boxer. Tell me the name of that person. Tell me the name of that lady. Yes. Yes. Very good, Ananya, Aradhya. Who is Lenovo? Who is Lenovo Tab? Should I call you Lenovo Tab? Please edit your name. Very good. Sanket, Swara, Bhumi, Vivek, Atharva, all very good. Okay. Yes. So Mary Kom is the female boxer of our India. Okay. Now tell me who is the famous person who is the champion of chess? Champion of chess. Yes, Adnya, what happened? You have not understood the lesson. We will revise in the revision lectures. Okay, at that time you can pay attention. Yes, Vishwanathan Anand. Vishwanathan Anand. Yes, he is the champion of chess. Yes, very good. Yes. Okay. Now tell me, I told you the fun fact. Who was the person during his school days? Was a very soft-hearted person. Very soft-hearted person. Yes, he was playing snookers. He is playing snookers. Yes, Grishma, very good. Yes, all of you very good. Pankaj Advani, Pankaj Advani. Okay, okay. Yes. Now tell me, students, what is the term used in chess? Which I told you, yes, which term is used in chess? Which term is used in chess? Yes, very good. All the students should answer. Yes, same students are answering. Yes, very good. Sujal, Satej, Sanket, all good. Okay, all the students, those who have written checkmate. Yes, checkmate is the term used in chess. Okay, then tell me the term which is used in cricket. Cricket. Which is the term used in cricket? Yes. Okay. Manoj, right. Krutarth, Yashashri. Yes. Yes, all right. LBW. LBW. Okay. Yes. What is the full form of LBW? Leg before wicket. Leg before wicket. Yes. So now tell me, what is the term used in tennis? Used in Tennis. Yes. Tennis. Which term is used in tennis? I will give you a hint. Yes, very good. That is when the score reaches up to 40 points. Both the sides, both the players has scored 40 points. So at that time, what term is used? Deuce. 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 Okay. Yes. All good. All are right. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now tell me where we do river rafting. Where we do river rafting. Yes. River rafting. No, Aradhya. River rafting. The word itself tells you where we do river rafting. Yes. In the river. Yes. Very good. In the river. Yes. Okay. Which which thing is used in paragliding or parasailing? Which equipment or which material is used in? Yes, Virat, it is right, but your spelling is wrong. Yes, parachute. Yes, parachute is. Who is Rock FF? Please edit your name. Yes, parachute is used in paragliding and parasailing. Okay, very good. Okay, students, now tell me any one indoor game. Tell me any one indoor game. Any one indoor game? Yes. I want different answers. Yes. Okay. Chess, then Ludo, Carom. Very good. Chess, Ludo, Carom. Yes. Football is not an indoor game, beta. Football is not an indoor game. Basketball, no. Okay. Chess, snakes and ladders. Very good. Very good. Okay. Yes. Now tell me one outdoor game. Outdoor game. Now tell me one outdoor game. Yes, Manoj, football, cricket, very good. Other games, badminton, basketball, very good. Okay, tennis, yes. Okay, very good. Okay, polo, yes, polo is also outdoor game. Yes, now tell me students, polo, which animal is used to play in polo? Kabaddi also, okay. Which animal is used to play in polo? Yes, Grishma, good. Krutarth also good. Yes, yes. Horse, yes. Horse is used while playing the polo. Okay, yes. So I hope you have understood the lesson very much. Thank you all of you for listening. Yes, we will meet in the next week and we will start the revision lectures. Okay, so please pay attention at that time also. If you have not understood these lectures, you can get yourself revised in the revision lectures. Okay, bye bye all of you. Take care.